So what's up guys, welcome back again into my channel. My name is Fadilectos, an internet marketer, and what I do in this channel, I show you step-by-step tutorials, tips and guides to make money online. So if you are new into this channel and you have find value in the videos, please make sure that you hit at the subscribe button and hit at the notification bell, that whenever I upload a new video you get notified immediately, hence making you to get started with new tips and make you money very fast before others have got it. So today in this video I'm going to take you through a Sweatcoin tutorial that is going to show you how you can earn by working and so many other stuffs within the site. So these are my videos, as you can see here: how to make money online in Kenya through M-Pesa, how to earn free PayPal money, how to get eCoin, simple email marketing, and how to create PayPal business account, and so many other stuffs. And if you find value into this video, comment in the link description box below and let me know your mind so that I may make more videos that will be very helpful for you. Don't forget to like this video. That helps me to rank up on Google, on YouTube, according to the algorithm. So without saying so much guys, let me get into the video immediately and let's get started. This app here is called Sweatcoin. Many of you knows it, this one here. So I will just come here, and this is called Sweatcoin. What exactly is Sweatcoin? Sweatcoin is a step counter app that swaps your steps into coins, and these coins you can use them to buy stuffs at a 50% discount rated, or you can use these stuffs to donate. You can use these coins to redeem them into Amazon gift card or PayPal gift cards and use them maybe on the eBay. I'm going to take you through all those steps. So as you can see here, my balance is 85.90. Today I have got 1225 steps. Per 1,000 steps in Sweatcoins earn you 1 coin. So how exactly can you make money with this app? It's very easy guys. As you can see here, you can become an influencer. You can just make $4 now, immediately now. The link is in the description box below. Okay, the link is in the description box below. You can make $4 now when you invite 30 new users, and this money you can withdraw it into your PayPal account immediately. Once you have got 30 invitation users who have registered under your link, guys, this you just come here and swap it automatically, and they will send you 4 USSD into thy account. So you can still earn 5 Sweatcoins when you invite your friend and get daily boost of 20. As you can see here, you can get 2 times boost in 20 minutes when you run with this app. So that will earn you so much Sweatcoins. So the thing here is that I want to show you guys step by step how to make this app to start working in the background of your phone. This is the thing that has made so many people to not enjoy it, since when they installed the app, they got stuck on how to set this app to start working on the background and to not consume their battery. So first of all guys, when you download this app, you will come into settings. As you can see here, I will come into my settings, and once you come into settings, come into the app and notification bar, come into the apps and make sure it loads. Just wait. After it have loaded, come here and make sure you select all apps, and when you have selected all apps, you will search for the Sweatcoin application below here. When you search for the Sweatcoin app like this one here, you click it, and then after clicking it, you come into the battery. After clicking the battery, you come to the app launch. App launch, when you are a new user, it will be automatically this way. Okay, so the main thing here is for you to make this not to be automatically, make it to be manually, and then when you click it here, make sure here you click it to remain manually, not automatically, so that it may start working at the background of your phone. So then after that, you click OK. And when you click that OK, you will already have activated this app to start working on your background. So let us go back into our app and continue. Now, I will assume that you already have this app inside your phone and the background is already working, and you start taking steps. So Sweatcoin is very, very powerful, guys. If you come here, you can see. Let me show you. If you look at this here, they are telling you that 50% off luxurious worship and jewelry from Seraphim. Only 15 coins of Sweatcoin that is needed. So, which means, let me click this. This is the offer of the day. Let me click it. Let me click it and see what exactly is going to happen. So when you click it, it shall direct you to the shop. Sweatcoin has got a shop. As you can see, they are showing you can earn 20 USSD Amazon voucher if you have got 8,000 Sweatcoins. This is in the premium version. So let's come here. As you can see here, I will click on this physical product, this one here, and see how Sweatcoin is very helpful. They are telling you that you can earn 50%. You can get 50% off from this jewelry watch. I'm sorry. So as you can see here, if they are trying to say that if this thing is costing maybe like $300, when they remove 50% off, you will buy it with 150 USSD, and you have got free shipping, and yeah. So that is how Sweatcoin is going to help you. So guys, I will tell you that you can still also donate. As you can see here, they are giving up as options here of shopping, or we can donate. So if you want to donate your coins, you can just come and click there, and you can donate your coins to the needy people around the world. Like for example, here they are showing us people in Uganda. We can help fund the education for children in Uganda with Sweatcoin. This is an app will let you do good, guys. You can also you can also support animals that need nurturing in this campaign, so many other stuffs. You can still also, the most important thing also, you can come into the auction area. As you can see here, if you have so much coins, you can come here and auction your coin. If you bid this and you become the highest bidder, you are the one who is going to get this. And there are so many other stuff, like let me show you. This is a drone. This is a powerful drone, and who else does not need a drone, guys? As you can see here, this is a drone, and people have bidded for this, and people are winning. So also I do trust in you. You can still do the same thing. So the thing here is that people are asking, can I withdraw money directly to my PayPal or to my Pioneer account or any other wallet? The question is simply no. You can only use Sweatcoins to buy things at a 50% discount, or you can use the Sweatcoin to redeem into your PayPal account via a given, if you have been given a choice. Like for example, I have been given a choice here to become an influencer. I can invite 30 new users here. As you can see here, I can invite 30 new users now, and then after I invite 30 new users, I just redeem this 4 USSD into my account. And also when you invite a friend, you get 5 Sweatcoin per each friend. So when I come here, guys, I am clicking here. This is home, and where I am now is here. This is now my wallet here in Sweatcoin. So as you can see here, these are all my transactions, and each and every day they give you a free daily reward. Like me here, I already redeemed my daily reward and I got 3.50 Sweatcoins. So this is my step count history or my Sweatcoin into each and every day, guys. I just earn because I have to move. I have to wake up outside the house and walk, maybe go into the latrine or go meet my friends. As I walk, this app counts my steps and I do earn. It's like free money. I earn money. I can do so much stuff, guys, with this, and I have not even taken. I have got like two weeks, or it's even 2 weeks has not ended. It's like almost 1.5 weeks, and I've made already this 85.90 USD Sweatcoins. So each and every day, if you come here and click bonuses, you can come here and earn your daily. Here you can come and earn your daily rewards. You can also add friends, as I said previously. So this app is very powerful, and when I come here, you can also join groups and get into the challenges. Like I joined a races here. Yeah. So guys, Sweatcoin is not a bad app. Sweatcoin is a very, very powerful app that will let you earn your coins. In my opinion, Sweatcoin worth it, and it's very legit, and it has been here for many years. And for example, if I am interested in buying watch, each and every day they update the things that you can buy at a 50% discount rate. Okay, and it doesn't matter where you are, they will ship it for free for you, and you shall receive what you have ordered and with 50% discount. So if you want also to join the premium services, guys, that is up to you. Let me click at my balance and see. Sorry guys, let me come here, let me see. Like, you want to get this Amazon voucher, you must be a premium user. And to be a premium user, guys, you just say, as you can see here, they're saying you can try to be a premium user. Just click there and try to be a premium user. If you click at the subscription, as you can see here, I'm in the free version still. Premium yearly, if you decide to buy this app, or if you decide to upgrade it yearly, they will give you at a discount price of 14. If you are a Kenyan, this is $14 or $15. But if you are in Kenya, this is, according to my country, it says 1,499 Kenyan shillings. And if you decide to take it monthly, then it is 339 shillings. That is $3 a month. And it's worth it, guys, because it shall give you so much Sweatcoins, and you can redeem them and use them to buy things at a 50% discounted rate. So for this tutorial, guys, I hope you have understood what exactly Sweatcoin is and what it can do to you. You cannot earn in this app directly, but through the coins or the step counts that it swaps into the coins, you can use those coins to do different things in this app. Sometimes they usually bring even eBay. As you can see, they are saying here, pay with Sweatcoin. You can do so much things, guys, according to where you are. So if you found value into this video, then please don't forget to like. And if you have got friends, you can also still share with them this video so they may understand what exactly it means by Sweatcoin app. So guys, with that, I'm very thankful if you have reached up to this point watching and listening to me. Very big thanks, and let me know in the comment box below what is in your mind, and let me know where you are at stuck so that I may know which kind of the videos I shall create in the future for you. Like for example, I do make money online niches, affiliate marketing. Okay, I do so much things, guys, and very soon I'm going to share with you step by step on how you can earn passive income in crypto and in the affiliate marketing, or in selling other people's products and making commissions. So with that, thank you, and let me see you in the next video. See you later.